Diyanksha, it's time to go to sleep.
Mom, please tell me a story.
Hmm, okay. Wise birds and foolish birds. Once a giant tree grew in the forest. Many birds lived on this tree. Their leader was a wise bird. One day, the leader saw two branches rubbing against each other and then some smoke rising. The wise leader called a meeting of all the birds. There he told them that the tree they were leaving would soon create a fire. He also said the fire can destroy the whole forest. The wise birds followed the leader's advice and flew away. However, the foolish ones stayed behind. They complained, "Our leader panics easily. Why should we leave our comfortable homes?" Soon, the sparks from the rubbing branches fell on dry leaves, and the tree caught fire. The foolish birds understood and tried to fly away. However, due to their foolishness, they were hurt. Then they flew to their leader and apologized for their foolishness. The wise leader bird was a monk in his previous birth. The moral of the story is, do not ignore the advice of the wise.